Ever tried boiling water outdoors and felt like your stove is losing the battle against wind, cold, and time? You wait, you watch, and somehow a simple cup of coffee turns into a patience test. If you've been there, the Fire Maple Fixed R1 is designed specifically to solve that frustration. Today we're looking at the Fire Maple Fixed R1 backpacking stove system, an all-in-one cooking setup built for hikers, campers, anglers, hunters, and anyone who needs fast, reliable heat in the outdoors. It combines a stove and cooking pot into a compact system designed to reduce setup time and improve boiling efficiency. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you notice is how compact everything is. The entire system packs down into a single 1-liter pot, which makes it ideal for minimalist travel. The hard anodized aluminum pot feels solid in hand, and the neoprene sleeve adds a layer of insulation that also makes it easier to handle when things get hot. It doesn't feel fragile or disposable like some ultra-light camping gear sometimes does. The integrated design is where this system really stands out. The burner locks directly onto the pot, which creates a stable cooking setup that feels more secure than balancing separate components. The stainless steel handle locks firmly into place, so you don't feel like the pot is going to slip when pouring hot water or moving it around camp. These small details matter more than you'd expect when you're cooking outdoors in uneven conditions. In real-world use, the performance is all about speed and efficiency. The heat exchange base is designed to trap and redirect heat into the pot, instead of letting it escape into the air. That means faster boiling times, especially in windy environments where traditional stoves struggle. If you've ever had to shield your flame with your hands or a backpack, you'll immediately appreciate this difference. The built-in ignition system also makes setup very simple. You don't need matches or a separate lighter every time. Just turn and click, and the burner fires up. It's one of those features that doesn't sound important until you're cold, tired, or dealing with bad weather and want things to just work without extra steps. Noise levels are relatively moderate for a compact stove system. It's not silent, but it's not distracting either. More importantly, it stays consistent during use, which helps when you're trying to boil water quickly or prepare simple meals on the go. Cleaning is straightforward since most of the system is designed for boiling water and light cooking rather than heavy frying or greasy food prep. Of course, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. The integrated design is great for efficiency, but also means you're locked into a specific setup. You don't have the same flexibility as a full multi-burner camping stove. Also, while it performs well in most conditions, strong winds still benefit from an added windscreen for best results, despite the built-in efficiency design. Compared to other backpacking stove systems in the same category, Fire Maple holds its ground well against popular competitors like Jetboil-style systems. Some premium models may boil slightly faster or have more refined heat control, but they often come at a higher price. Where the Fixed R1 stands out is value, compact packing design, and reliable everyday performance without overcomplication. This system is best suited for solo travelers, backpackers, and minimalist campers who prioritize weight, speed, and simplicity. If you're cooking for larger groups or need multi-dish meal preparation, a full camping stove setup might still be a better fit. But for quick meals, hot drinks, and efficient solo cooking, this hits a very practical sweet spot. Overall, the Fire Maple Fixed R1 delivers exactly what it promises: a compact, fast-boiling, easy-to-use stove system that removes a lot of friction from outdoor cooking. It doesn't try to do everything, but what it does efficiently and reliably. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link in the description for current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.